Sister Elena, you came. You're always welcome here, sister. Sister, do you ever get tired of all that praying? My niece is too bold. Forgive her, sister, but I admit I wonder too, do you ever long for something more human? You're blushing, sister.
She always notices too much. It's always a sign. It's all right. We don't judge here.
Let's sit somewhere more comfortable. Wrinkled fabric doesn't suit you, sister.
Aunt, you are braver than me.
I shouldn't, but I want to.
Forgive me. There's nothing to forgive, only to feel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, L for Lesbian Lovers.
And also like our video.